You know, I think about the S. S, single-minded. Speak faith-filled words. Psalms 119 verse 10 says, I'm single-minded in pursuit of you. Don't let me miss the road signs you posted. And then James 1 and 8, a double-minded man is unstable in all of his ways. Philippians 3:13 says, brothers and sisters, I do not consider myself to have attained this. Instead, I'm single-minded, forgetting those things that are behind and reaching out for the things that are ahead. If your thoughts are not criteria for thought, they're certainly not criteria for talk. Proverbs 18:21, death and life are in the power of the tongue, and those who love it will eat its fruit.